2010 Hyundai Tucson. Alright, I'm gonna explain to you guys how to do an alternator on this car. It seems to be really complicated, but it's not. If you got the right tools, it's not. So you're definitely gonna need a jack, at least one jack. You gotta put the car on the air, and then you can put it on jack stand. You're gonna tilt the wheel to the left, to the right. You're gonna tilt the wheel this way. You're gonna remove that cover. That cover right there it got three screws. Got three screws going up here to the chassis of the car. Three, one over here in the front and two right here, 10 millimeter, which are those right there. Once you remove that, you can get to the tensioner from down here. It's a 14 millimeter, but let me explain to you how you're gonna take the alternator off. Let me put it right here on the side. This is the new one we're gonna drop in. Okay, so once you unplug your battery, then you get to the tensioner. That's the tensioner right there. That right there, that's your tensioner, 14. Okay, once you get that off, then you're gonna remove this 314, which is gonna be your engine mount. Let me see if I can see it right here. Okay, your engine mount. Once you remove these, you gotta make sure you got a jack before you get this loose. You gotta make sure you have a jack under the car, right on the oil pan, before you get that loose. Once you get that loose, you're gonna take the complete engine mount out, and then you're gonna drop the engine a little bit so you can take the bottom bowl of the alternator, because it won't come out. It's gonna hit right here. So you gotta drop the engine down a little bit, slide this out. Once you slide that out, then you're gonna jack the engine up again. Just jack it up into this pulley, come even, so you can have an idea exactly where. Into this pulley, come even with the chassis of the car on the top right here, the bottom of it, the bottom of that pulley. Once you have it there, you will be able to slide your alternator out once you unplug the connector that's in the back and the 13 millimeter little thing that hold the nut. You're gonna do it through here. You're gonna stick your hand. That's how I did it. This is a 13. So you're gonna stick your hand through here, through the back, and then you're gonna get it loose right there. Once you have that, you're gonna be able to slide your alternator through right here, facing. It's gonna come out. I'll show you what. I'm gonna drop the new one in so you know exactly how it's gonna. There we go. Let me make sure it's the same one, same plug. Okay, we're good. Take these off. They're on the side. Okay, so that's how it goes. You got to put the pulley facing up. You can hold it by the pulley, and then watch it go down. Pull one end. Let me move it around. I got it. Move it around a little bit. I went in wrong. Okay. There's the wire. Spin it around. There. So now, facing up. This is hard to do with one hand. Let's see if I can put it from right here. There we go. Now I can spin it back around again. Alright, so it came in straight right there. See it going down? Show it from here. Like that. So the connector, whoa. The connector is touching the pulley. Connector of the alternator. And then you should be able to just go straight down. There we go. Then you flip it over so you can do your connection. But the main trick here is removing the engine mount, dropping the engine so you can take your bottom bolt out, and then lifting the engine back up so you can have room to slide that out. And that will do it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps someone to do the alternator. It's gonna be a job about 40 minutes. It doesn't take that long. If you know what you're doing, you're good to go. Thank you. There it is. All done.